12 business machines ready to buy right now to create a revenue stream and launch your business. Carefully selecting for you the best options at optimal prices and high quality, I have prepared all the links to the machines that will be available in the description below the video. Give it a like, let's get started. A printer for printing on phone cases, labels and bottles provides a versatile solution for creative projects and personalizing different surfaces. This Inkjet flatbed UV printer delivers high-quality prints with vibrant and rich colors, allowing you to bring your design ideas to life with ease. With a wide range of compatible materials, this printer is suitable for a variety of projects ranging from personalized decor to corporate branded products. The intuitive interface and the ability to create unique designs using specialized software make this printer ideal for those looking to add a personalized accent to their merchandise and gifts. By the way, if you guys are watching and you want to start making money online through a side hustle, I highly recommend checking out Sophie Howard's Kindle Publishing Income, which is the sponsor of today's video. In this free webinar, Sophie will teach you everything you need to know to start a passive income business selling digital products, specifically ebooks on Amazon. If you guys didn't know, ebook sales have grown by 60% ever since 2020, and yeah, this industry generates billions every year in sales. You don't need a ton of money to get started, there's no need for inventory since you're selling ebooks. Right, like it's the perfect product. And you don't even have to be a writer to have a Kindle publishing business, you can sell no-content books like journals. And the great thing is that once you finish setting up your Amazon store, you only have to spend about 5 hours per month working on it, as it's mostly automated. So if you guys are interested, you can check out the link below to watch her free training. The cardboard shredding machine provides an efficient solution for packaging goods, allowing you to replace traditional bubble wrap with a more environmentally friendly material. This machine provides precision shredding of cardboard, creating a soft and flexible material that is ideal for wrapping and protecting goods in transit. Using cardboard instead of bubble wrap not only reduces the environmental footprint, but also reduces the cost of packaging materials. This innovative approach to packaging using a cardboard shredding machine demonstrates the importance of moving towards more sustainable and environmentally responsible methods of packaging goods. The protein bar machine is a modern piece of equipment designed to efficiently and mass-produce high-quality protein products. This machine ensures accurate dosing of ingredients, including protein components, minimizing variations in composition and ensuring consistent bar quality. The protein bar machine not only increases productivity, but also helps to expand the range of healthy and nutritious products in the market, responding to the growing demand for functional food products. The thermal T-shirt printer is an innovative device capable of turning digital images into high-quality and sustainable designs on textile products. This printer uses thermal transfer technology in which special inks are heated and penetrate the fibers of the fabric, creating vibrant and long-lasting prints. One of the key advantages of these printers is the ability to create unique and personalized T-shirts with high speed and precision. This allows both mass manufacturers and small fashion businesses to respond quickly to changes in market demands and provide consumers with unique products. The Kibby Machine, an innovative equipment for preparing the traditional dish, provides an efficient and automated solution for mass production of this Oriental culinary delicacy. It offers high productivity, allowing for the quick and uniform shaping of kibbeh made of meat, bulgur and spices, while respecting traditional recipes. The integration of modern technologies into the machine increases the efficiency of the process, ensuring a high level of standardization and quality of the finished product. The Kibby Machine meets the needs of the catering and food industry, providing a reliable and innovative solution for the production of this Oriental treat. The Paper Cup Machine is an advanced machine designed for automated and efficient production of biodegradable tableware. It provides high productivity by forming cups from biodegradable material with great precision and speed. High-precision gluing and forming mechanisms integrated into the machine guarantee consistent quality of the finished product. The paper cup machine is becoming an important element of the waste reduction strategy, offering a more sustainable alternative to plastic products and contributing to environmental protection. This machine for the semi-automatic production of toilet paper is an advanced technology designed for the efficient and scalable creation of this indispensable household product. It is based on a system that ensures high productivity and stability in the formation of toilet paper rolls, with minimal operator intervention required. The ease of use of the machine is emphasized by an intuitive interface and automated control mechanisms. The paper napkin machine is a specialized machine designed for efficient and scalable production of this household product. Using innovative mechanisms, the machine ensures fast and accurate napkin formation, guaranteeing a high-quality finished product. Automated folding and cutting processes reduce the need for active operator intervention, which reduces production time and increases efficiency. It is important to note that the cost of this machine is $2,800, making it an affordable and favorable investment decision for a startup business. The corn flake machine is a sophisticated processing system designed to process cornmeal into light and crispy flakes. The process involves mixing cornmeal with water and other ingredients, forming a dough, pressing it and then processing it under high pressure and temperature. The result is quality breakfast food in the form of tasty and nutritious corn flakes, ready to be packaged and shipped to market. The Boba ball machine is a high-tech machine specifically designed to form the small and uniform balls used in Boba, a traditional Asian beverage. The process involves creating a mixture of special ingredients, shaping them into balls and subsequent processing, such as sprinkling them with colored coconut or rice powder. This machine provides high productivity and precision in creating perfect balls ready to be added to a beverage. A potato peeling machine is designed to automate the process of removing the peel from potatoes. It is usually equipped with a cutting mechanism that can peel large volumes of produce efficiently and quickly. This machine facilitates the labor-intensive peeling process, reducing the time and effort required to prepare the potatoes for further processing. A potato slicing machine is designed to automatically process potatoes and create uniform strips used to make French fries. It is usually equipped with a cutting mechanism that cuts the potatoes into equal slices or strips corresponding to the standard sizes for French fries. This machine can greatly speed up the cooking process by ensuring consistency in the shape and thickness of each potato slice. For more machines and business ideas, check out the other videos on the channel.